Hello everyone, and in this video I'm going to be introducing the All Document Exit project. So the All Document Exit project is the project that's done at the end in collaboration with Touro College U of T Graduate School of Education, taught by Dr. Stein. And basically everything that you see here on my website, the content, the topics, the assessments, the planning, textbook key points, fun stuff, and videos are all published on this document. It's all published on this document here. So scrolling down, I just want to walk you through my table of contents, but I also wanted to match my page. So I'm going to be moving this over here, moving this over here. So it is a picture of me, but I don't have that on my page. However, I do have the introduction. I do have my teaching site for parents, administrators, and teachers, which is also located down here. So you can see that. I also have, so we're going to start first, we're going to start with this table of contents. And this is going to be, I have my introduction, course highlights, chapters, textbook from the textbook key points. I also and their applications to the EdTPA, my EdTPA lesson plan, and my videos. So I'm going to go through the course highlights, which basically is an overview about learning the different types of assessment strategies used to prepare for the EdTPA. So in addition, part of the course, we've introduced the strategies and guidelines. We used a handbook called Making Good Choices, and I actually have this handbook attached in my old document. And it basically shows us the 3 planning stages for preparing for the EdTPA lesson plan, which is the preparing stage, the planning stage, the instruction, and the assessment. So I'm going to be, so going back to that over here. So there's actually there's a lot more involved in teaching than we plan and we think. So we need to take active steps, create high quality assessment. So the textbook for the classroom assessment for learning, it basically describes the assessment methods during the instructional process and how educators are constantly guiding instruction, directing feedback from improving student learning. It talks about how students self-assess, set goals when the learning targets goals are met or when they're not met. So it gives us a brief, in-depth overview of all the important key points, terminology that can be used for the EdTPA in a lesson plan. So now that I've mentioned that, I'm going to go down to, this is Dr. Stein's overview of the class discussion. This is chapter 1, chapter 2, this is chapter 1 in applications of the EdTPA. I've also made a video about the applications of EdTPA and how or the summary of my lesson plan. And it was a group lesson plan. So now I'm going to go back to, I'm going to click over here on go back to my table of contents. And I'm going to go down here for an example and click to EdTPA lesson plan. This will bring me to my EdTPA page, as you can see here, and a little brief description about my lesson plan. So it's a 3rd grade math lesson plan. In our lesson plan, we include a sample worksheet for assessment purposes. In the worksheet, we designed the worksheet in terms of meeting the learning target and matching them, making sure that it matches. We included we have our lesson plan. I've attached the lesson plan in my old document as well for you to see here. Okay, I wanted to show you my assessment form. I've attached here, and the rubric. So this is the rubric to show if our learning target, our students were able to clearly understand our learning targets. So so here it shows the different levels and of student level proficiency. And I have my learning targets over here, Matt, listed, and this is their level of proficiency. And in each column, I'm including the detailed explanation of what I'm looking for in my students' assessments. So this is it. And here's the handbook, Making Good Choices. So this is all I wanted to show you was the intro. So we're going to go back up. This is all I really wanted to show you as an introduction to my old document. And I really hope this was informative and would help you in preparing for your own document for ADSN 640 course as well. Thank you.